car is just so beautiful. I can't. So we got news today that we're getting the valve covers. They're not here yet, but we are excited. What is that burning?
Probably just some fluid that's on it.
Because you took the catch can off?
No, when I did when we changed this whole setup, there might be a little power steering fluid on it that's just burning.
Does this melt here?
No, that's just from it being
schmutzed.
Touched.
All right, so as we wait for valve covers, are you going to do the catch can?
Yes.
Where is that valve? In the front?
In front, yeah.
This thing's pretty sweet.
That's a coolant overflow tank and catch can.
It serves a dual purpose. Overflow tank and a catch can. All right, where's this going?
We're replacing this. So these two things are going to get replaced, and that's going to go here.
Which way? Are these fitting? These are just caps, right?
Those are just caps.
Okay. Pretty sweet. All right. Well, we'll let you do this. Get this off, and then we'll be back. See if they juke us out today. There he is. Just international delivery. Oh no, you're fine.
I got two for you.
Okay.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
How you doing? Yes, they do. They do exist. You do exist. What else did we get?
This is your transmission back.
Yay!
I think guys from probably from New Jersey.
Yeah.
That's my license plate.
How you doing? Well, he could be from New York.
This is the new trigger wheel that I bugged him about. The updated one for my car.
Oh, okay.
Because I have the old one. Nice. Oh, double. Hardware, their low profile plug-in bar cover fittings. Aluminum bar cover gaskets. Half medium. Alright, these are all the baffling plates that get stacked up on the inside of the cover.
Ooh, there we go.
This is it. How you doing? Okay.
The valve covers is painted. Wrinkle black. Thank you, Brian. Redline Coatings, always doing a wonderful job. The reason why they're wrinkle black and not any other kind of cool PRP design that they came out with, the retro design is really cool this year. It's because his whole engine bay is sprayed wrinkle black. What's up? So we got the best UPS and FedEx guys here. They all know the dog. Take care. So what's the plan today with Jorge?
We're gonna fit these PRP Billet valve covers and get everything plumbed up and ready to roll, and then see how they work. Hopefully, give him his car back. It's already been taken.
All right, perfect. Ooh, I'm excited. Is the height different? It's like it's
I think they're a little taller.
a little taller. That's what I was thinking just by looking at them.
Get these plugs off. Still one left.
Put your light on. Goodness, say we love Jorge's car, huh? Yeah. It's 240 goals here. It's a 240 goals.
They said 240 rolls.
Rolls? No, it's not a rolls.
That's what
I mean, it could. It is the rolls of 240s. We could say that. It's a little chilly, even though it's supposed to be warm today.
it's not gonna get until 12.
All right. That is definitely a bit bigger. Before I tried to get an angle so you could see, well, you could see it here. Definitely a little taller. Here's the new one. And here is the old one. You can see the height. That's probably, what, a little fat inch, little fat finger inch. And then this one, you can see there's no, just because I'm not great at capturing this. And explain why you chose to do these larger valve covers.
For better oil to air separation.
Especially with RPs, right?
Yeah, they like to breathe in, factory 25 and 20 covers. Baffling is just non-existent. So we're filling up the catch can on high RPMs for extended periods of time, faster than what we wanted. So these should resolve that issue.
We also did a different catch can system, right? Catch can and
Yeah, larger catch can too.
it's a catch can and what, overflow?
Coolant overflow
Coolant.
tank as well.
And that's True Focus fabrication. They make a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. Even I feel like some of those front bars on like the Z's. I can put a picture in here. He was just here. Anyway, all right. We'll get Edgar to pop this other sucker back on, and then we'll start it up. And I guess, how are you gonna check to see like?
Well, we're gonna have to do some hits, but ultimately, I still gotta plumb the lines and stuff.
Yeah, I noticed that. why this is my favorite 40. Just the sound alone. Having fun? What? I know. But I feel like this is good for the haters, though, because they always tell you, like, what the fuck you doing with that pump. Yeah, you're at 90% full at 87% ethanol. Couple more pumps, that's all. Do you want to do a play? There you go. Okay, let's go.